October 7th. Quick bias on the 1 hour NQ. We have a hourly imbalance up here. I believe this is going to get filled before we go lower. I think we're going to go lower because we just respected this big bearish imbalance, and we had multiple rejections on the 1 hour of this level, and we have a lot of liquidity down here, lots to take out. So what I think is going to happen is we're going to come up into this imbalance and fill it, and then possibly go down. So that's what we'll be looking for. But I could look for longs too. If we come down and take out sell side first, then we come out and take buy side. But right now we're kind of waiting for buy side to get swept. So see what happens. From now on, I'm gonna do for these videos, I'm gonna do market open overview, and then I'm gonna resume to when I take the trade, and then I'll do recap. So I'm gonna start recording as I'm placing a trade, and then if I don't place a trade, it'll cut straight to like market recap at the end of the day where I explain why I didn't take a trade, etc. All right, I'm gonna trade here on NQ. Just the 1 minute time frame. So we had a bearish SMT ES. At the time I took this, failed to take these lows, and NQ did. And so then we created this bearish fair value gap, which we came back up to fill, and we respected it with a wick taking stop hunt. And then we had this bullish fair value gap on this retrace that we just disrespected. And so now I'm in a short, have 2 contracts on here. One is at these lows, and the other is at these lows. So, and it fits within the macro. So whatever happens, happens. The bias was bearish, so it's kind of just exactly what we wanted. So just whatever happens, happens. First TP hit. Since we hit first TP, I'm going to move my stop to now not break even, but we'll do to about equilibrium of what I had it. Now let's just wait. I move my second TP just to here. I think that's more of an achievable low than this wick, which this just makes a little bit more sense for this trade. We're getting a little retrace here. I didn't move my stop to break even yet, so I'm okay with it kind of coming up into this range. I want to see it respect this. We made almost equal lows there. I don't like that too much. Big retrace, almost hit my stop. Probably hit my stop. We do have a lot of volatility. It's kind of weird on a no news Monday. See this candle close bearish. Might move my stop to break even if we break this wick. Right here. I don't want to see another candle close above this inverse fair value gap. That would mean we would have broken bearish structure. Okay, we got to close just barely below. Oh no, we did get a close above. So I'll probably get stopped out here. If we do, I'm totally fine with that. We still caught a trade. We still made a so far we still made a lower high though. So we still made lower highs of the body of the candle too, not just the wick. So we are still bearish. Just got to see one final push to sell side liquidity, which I totally think could still happen. What's happening on ES? On ES, we've just been doing nothing. I got stopped out right there. Yeah, so pretty happy with this. Where I had my take profits this time was much better. Where I've had them before I would have them. Well, I had one here, and that got hit, and then I had it down here, which is not unreasonable at all. Like that's still will probably get hit, so I'm gonna leave it there. But basically, anything I could have done better with this trade would have had to do with really just day of the week and no news, and kind of seeing what kind of structure we were in. Before I took this trade, we hadn't made any substantial moves, and we weren't in like very good areas of a reversal. I just caught a small piece of this move right here. Just go like that. Got that down move. But yeah, I'll do a trade recap later. Quick recap for today. So, market opened. We came up. We took out some buy side liquidity. To be honest, we didn't take out much at all. So that's kind of why we came back up to take out more before going lower. And so my bias for the day was bearish, and we ended up totally bearish. Exactly what I said. As I said, I wanted to see us take out lots of this liquidity. See, I had my daily, weekly target that almost got hit today. I put this here last week, daily, weekly target. I wanted to see all this liquidity get taken out. So that's what we did today. That was my, that's what I thought we were going to do today. And so, what made this not as good as it could have been, it was a pretty good trade. Was since we never filled this imbalance and took out buy side liquidity, when we came down for some temporary sell side to get swept, we did create a bullish SMT, I believe, or not a bullish SMT. We created, can't remember what we created, but we created a SMT on NQ. It was a bullish SMT, yes, or no, it was a bearish SMT. So that didn't really help my case with this quick, or wait, no. This was a bearish SMT, and I took a short. I was thinking I took a long for some reason. So yeah, we had a bearish SMT on top of sell side that we wanted to get swept after we had this kind of small buy side sweep. So we swept buy side, and then we created this big wick down, and with that we created a bearish fair value gap. I entered when we came back up into this bearish fair value gap after we made this SMT, and I wanted to see us take out these lows. One of my take profits got hit at this wick. My other one was down here at this wick, but that didn't get hit, which is totally fine. So then after we hit this, I brought my stop down to equilibrium of what it was. So I took a small, like $100 loss on that, but like an $800 profit on this trade. So it was a winning trade. And then after that, what we did is we came up and we filled this imbalance and took out the rest of this liquidity, which never happened in the first place. So that's why we didn't go very low initially. So once we did that, then the rest of the day went on bearish like I had thought. And now we are way down from where we were. Yeah, so excited to trade tomorrow, and we're just gonna keep doing the same thing. Make better decisions. Like, we didn't get a great liquidity sweep here. I entered anyway. Still worked in my favor, but it could have been better. We're just gonna keep improving every day, and we're not gonna give up. So